If he wants to run, let him go. I think he got a nice lake trout here.
I think so. Feels like it.
Yeah, he's probably gonna run against you. So stop right there. Now just lift your rod tip up.
Oh no!
Oh no! I think he did everything right, and he was just barely hooked.
In this video, we were back out on Flathead Lake with Captain Mike Jousma. Having been really successful targeting lake trout with him previously, I wanted to try something new. Mike and I spent a smoky summer day with my friends Justin and Sean Whitman, and we were after lake whitefish.
This flat holds weeds, and it holds a bunch of perch minnows, because that's where they spawn, and then they come off, and all these predatory fish, including whitefish, hang off these edges and wait for these bait fish to come and get around. Most times, and this is why you want it to hit the bottom, those whitefish are following it down thinking it's a wounded little perch about that big, and they're following it down and they're pinning it against the bottom. Oh, you got a fish. That's another fish coming up. Look at him. Just let me see where he is. Oh, keep coming though. Yep. Nice, there's a whitefish. Nice. Good job. Woo! First whitey in the boat. Boom. All right.
I think we know what they're after.
Well, Justin's got the hot side of the boat.
Oh, this one. There you go. So now just lift your rod up a little bit. One more full crank. There you go. A couple more.
That's a good size.
Yeah, there we go. Nice one.
Yeah.
Keep it up. But there you go, man. They're getting bigger, so who knows where this might end. Nice. Woo! Nice. Here we go, boys. Yeah, no. If they want to run, you let them run.
No, I got his line. Okay, Sean, now remember, the biggest and the most. Okay, let's see who gets the first. I got the first. I think I got the biggest.
He's got the most so far. There he is. Yeah. Boom. Nice.
Yeah.
Keep it up. They're a white flaky meat fish. They're kind of like anybody would think of snapper or maybe lingcod on the coast. Some people they'll boil them up in Sprite, call them poor man's lobster. I've tried it. It's amazing how much it tastes like lobster that way. There he is. Nice. Oh, really? So now just rod up a little. Yep, and just ride him to me so I can get the net under. Perfect. Whiteys. Good, Jeff. Are you watching the front one or the back one?
I was watching the back one.
Couple more crank. That's good. Now just lift your rod up a little bit. Leave him in the water though. Oh. Okay. There we go. What's so hard about this fishing thing, right? I don't see what the problem is. It's just typical when they're going down to get it. Yeah, he's been hit.
Look at that.
Those are that's a big fish, by the way. That bite mark.
Jeez.
So are whitefish a native fish to today?
No, they're not. They were introduced right about the same time as the kokanee salmon and the lake trout in the lake, early 1900s. They were put in to help supplement the fishery and did a good job of it. They claim to be, from the biologists, one of the largest biomasses in the lake.
Sean, what's the secret?
Just bounce off.
I'm awesome.
Yeah, right? That's the secret.
Yeah, I'm just awesome.
It's not even a secret.
Yeah, I urinate
Common
excellence at all the time.
That's
it?
Yep. Raise your drone and hold them up.
You didn't catch another fish today, Justin, or just hang out?
I think I'm just hanging out.
Getting out the pin bones, lateral line bones. They're a little tricky sometimes, but
So after you fillet it, you go through it again and do that?
That's how I do it. There's a lot of ways to do it. You can do it while it's still on the skin. Oh, it's a whitefish. Yeah, it's a nice one though. Oh. Gotcha. Nice. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Boom.
Awesome.
Heck yeah. Yeah, a little bit thicker. Oh yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Nice. Nice. Well done.
Yeah.
Nice. Definitely fish of the day right there.
For sure.
So what Joe did right there is we had that jig just hanging, and we could see it on the live sonar right here, and there were 2 or 3 of them, and they just wanted to mess with it.
They're a cool fish.
They are kind of cool, and the fact that they're related to trout and salmon is pretty amazing. The only reason they are is because of that little guy right there.
This fin right here.
Yep, that little adipose fin right there. That's the only reason, but they're related to. I mean, and they look like grayling a bit.
Yeah.
But
Slow it down a little, Justin.
Yeah, I'm just getting ready
You getting ready?
for the big catch. Gotta stretch.
what's cool about this too is. All right, bring him right up over my head, but keep that rod bent. That's good. That'll be a tasty little fish right there.
Oh.
Hang on. If he wants to run, let him go. I think you got a nice leg shot there.
I think so. Feels like it.
Yeah, he's probably going to run against you, so stop right there. Now just lift your rod tip up.
Oh no!
Oh,
No! What did I do?
Nothing. You might have just been trying to lift just a little too fast, but I don't know. Hard to say. I think you did everything right, and he was just barely hooked. That might change throughout the rest of the day, that story, but
Yeah. The way we'll tell it. The way we'll tell it without the
it depends on how these guys want to hear it too. So.
What happened, Justin?
Oh man.
What happened? I was gone.
Why'd
No
you let him
dinner.
go?
We going hungry.
How come you let him go?
Scrub. There he is.
Oh, not as big as I thought, but good job, Joe.
Heck yeah.
Woo!
Hey, Justin.
Yeah.
That's how you're supposed to do it.
Yeah, little sushi fish.
Yeah.
Nice, good job. We'll get that out of there.
What do you think, Sean?
Oh, it was a blast.
Good day.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Justin, what do you think?
Of course he had a great time. He slayed it.
Well, it was slower than we like, but you know what? I'll take it. It was a beautiful day out here. A little smoky, but you know what? We had a good time and caught some fish. And you know what? I'd take this day all over again. Not a problem.